Welcome to TelemetryTV. Our cloud-based digital signage platform is the easiest way to transform screens into a powerful engagement tool. In this video, I'll be walking you through a demo where you'll learn how to create and manage beautiful signage content across multiple screens. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a playlist with custom content. All right, here's the playlist editor showing a single playlist I've created called Office Lobby. On the left, I can see a list of my pages, and I can easily drag and drop to reorder them. In the middle, I can see a preview of my selected page, and from the right, I can create or edit the page content. When a page is blank, I can create new apps, media, or Canva content directly onto the page, or select existing content from my shared folders. Our library of over 70 Turnkey apps allows you to create content in just a few minutes. Now, we offer a wide variety of apps that do a variety of different things. And a few of our most popular apps are our Events app, which allows you to integrate an iCal URL to display events, our YouTube app to stream channels or videos, our RSS app to display news feeds, or our Menu app to build easy-to-update menus. You can also use our Twitter apps to display a social feed, or use more custom apps such as our website app or HTML app to display a specific URL, or your own custom app created using our SDK. You can create a new app for your page by selecting it in the list, or add an existing app from your shared folder. All right, moving on to media. You can upload files to your media library and organize them by folder. We support the upload of images, videos, PowerPoints, and PDFs. Now you can add a single piece of media to your page, multiple pieces, or even an entire media folder. Our Canva integration allows you to create your own custom content directly within TelemetryTV using a drag and drop editor. You can leverage Canva's free templates and other resources and save them directly to your media library. You can even modify the designs once they've been saved without having to replace the design with a newly uploaded version. Many of our customers use Canva to create branded templates that they can use to create content in just a few clicks. You can also create more dynamic pages using our playlist zones. Our zones feature allows you to section your page into different regions, adding different pieces of content into each section. You can even set a page background to make the page look more uniform. Okay, so once your content is in your playlist, you can use our other features to configure and schedule your content. Set the duration of each page from the drop-down here to indicate how long each page plays. Set scheduling rules to limit specific pages to different days of the week, hours of the day, or even a start and end date if the content is only relevant to a specific time frame. These features essentially allow you to pre-program content ahead of time without having to log in and then edit it later. We also offer more advanced features such as tag filtering to limit pages to specific devices. If you're technical, you can even leverage our API to make programmatic updates to your playlists. Here under Configuration, you can set custom aspect ratios for your playlists. and even enable touch interactivity for touchscreen devices. Okay, under Overlays, here you can turn on playlist overlays such as a custom logo, the weather or clock, or even a scrolling ticker tape message. You can also overlay a PNG or GIF image over your playlist using the image overlay, or use our SDK to create a custom HTML overlay, allowing you endless possibilities to code things like interactive buttons or even a Spotify soundtrack for your playlist. It's also worth noting that both apps and media can also be created and accessed from shared content. This is also a great place to create new folders and make sure that all your content is organized just how you need it. Okay, so once your playlist is ready, the next step is to assign it to a device. And our device interface is designed to make it easy to manage tens to thousands of devices. And once you've paired or provisioned compatible devices to your account, such as an Android TV box or Chrome box, you'll be able to view your devices listed here. You'll see the device name, playlist, and other important stats. And from the right, you can assign playlists to your devices. You may assign a single playlist to a device or multiple. You can also multi-select devices to change playlists all at once. And when a device is selected, you're able to view a preview of the device screen and other device information. For example, you can set device identifier fields such as a description and location, set up device tags for tag filtering, and set up device status notifications to be notified when devices go offline. You can also view device logs to identify the cause of any issues, or view playback logs to keep an eye on the content playing on your device. TelemetryTV makes it easy to deploy devices at scale using automatic provisioning. This is currently supported for Chrome OS and Android TV devices. Simply put in a name, set a default playlist, set a wireless SSID and password, and set variables specific to your deployment. Once you've created the provisioning configuration, you can download the provisioning file onto a USB stick. Once this is done, provisioning Android devices is as simple as plugging in a USB stick into an Android device's second USB slot. And it'll automatically provision the device. Our Overrides feature allows you to take over screens with any content at a given time. This pauses your playlist to display the override on screen and can be used for a range of use cases such as emergency notifications, critical announcements, or even to celebrate the beginning of happy hour. Overrides can be triggered manually or scheduled for a specific time. You can also set up webhooks to trigger overrides via our API. Okay, now that we've covered the basic steps of creating content, building playlists, and assigning playlists to screens, let's get into user management. The Users and Groups section allows you to add and manage your account's users. Within TelemetryTV, you can create folders and subfolders in all sections, including devices, playlists, media, etc. You can also create different user groups with different levels of permission, and turn on or off entire sections of TelemetryTV to limit what users can access. When they have access to sections such as apps, you can also limit which specific folders they can see. You can even choose which users can or cannot publish playlists and require administrator approval for any changes. Many larger organizations will create folders for different departments or locations across their account to limit users to see only their relevant content. You can leverage the viewer-only feature to invite users who can log in and view assigned playlists. This is perfect for broadcasting playlists to your remote employees directly on their desktops without giving them access to anything else on the account. TelemetryTV has advanced advertising campaign reporting capabilities that allow you to create custom campaigns to track proof of play across your devices and playlists. All right, we've covered all the major sections of TelemetryTV. To learn more about other advanced features, check out our documentation library, our videos, or reach out to our team on support chat if you have any questions. Our support hours are currently 4 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching and happy broadcasting.